In iOS, there is a spoken content section in settings. This could be helpful for those who have a harder time reading or cannot see well. Let's open settings and navigate to accessibility, then spoken content to set up and learn how to use these features. The top feature titled Speak Selection allows the user to select text and have it read aloud.
Latest iPhone 16 Pro leaks, iPad Pro improvements, iPhone 16 launch dates.
Speak Screen allows the user to use a 2-finger swipe down to speak everything on the screen as demonstrated here.
Apple Newsroom. Update. May 10th, 2022. The music lives on. iPod Touch will be available while supplies last. iPod redefined how music was discovered.
When toggled on, Speech Controller allows the user to easily access the controls to the speed at which text is spoken, start and stop the speech, and skip forward and backward. If you tap and hold on the controller, it will begin reading everything on screen.
Show controller on. The speech controller allows quick access to Speak Screen and Speak on Touch, comma.
A double tap will enable Speak on Touch, which allows the user to tap or drag a finger around the screen on text they want read aloud.
Speak on Touch, comma. Expand the controller.
You can change these two gestures to off or switch their actions. You can also adjust the idle opacity to better suit your needs. Highlight content highlights text being spoken. You can adjust what is highlighted and the colors it uses.
Apple Loop. Latest iPhone 16 Pro leaks, iPad Pro improvements, iPhone 16 launch dates. Taking a look back at this week's news and headlines from Apple, including new iPhone 16.
Typing feedback allows you to hear what you are typing, whether it's characters, character hints, words, or predictions.
Cap, THIS, India, Sierra, A, Tay, test.
You can change the voice used for speech, the default language, and the speed at which text is read near the bottom. Enabling Detect Languages will allow it to automatically switch to the correct language according to the text being read. If there are words pronounced incorrectly, you can add the correct pronunciation at the bottom. And that's a guide to spoken content in iOS. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like, and if you have questions or video requests, leave them in the comments.